Come test drive the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel ABS, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.